Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to play 2v2 online in Madden 27. The mode you're looking for is squads and you can jump into a game with another player pretty easily. To get started, open Ultimate Team from the main menu. Once you're inside play section, select head to head and find the squads mode and you'll be taken to the squad lobby. Once you're in this screen, you'll see your squad in the middle and on the side you'll have an empty player slot. For a 2v2 match, you want to play as a duo, so you only need one other teammate. To invite your friend, press Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation. You can invite someone from your friends list and you can also play with someone using crossplay. Once your teammate joins the second slot, you'll be ready to set up your duo. You can also leave the role section on play as any role or change your role if you want to control a specific position. When both players are in the squad, just press A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation to ready up. After both of you are ready, Madden 27 will search for another duo and you'll be matched up against two other players online. One useful thing to know, if you don't have a second player to invite, the empty role can be filled during matchmaking, so you can still enter the game without having a full squad beforehand. So for a 2v2 online, go into Ultimate Team head to head, open squads, invite one friend, join as a duo and ready up. Once matchmaking finds another duo, you'll be able to play your 2v2 game online in Madden 27. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.